Let's try the fill in the blank activity. If I click on the plus sign and I go to start an activity, I can go to fill in the blanks, and from here I can either copy and paste text into the box, or I can write the sentence in here if I want. So I'm going to type, "I'd love to go to the movies. Star Wars is my favorite." So after you put your text in here, and you can go up to almost 300 characters, if I click where it says define blanks, it's going to let me select the words that I'm going to put down in my word bank. So if I want to put Star Wars in the word bank, or I want to put movies, they're going to end up in the word bank, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Also, when it says check your answers, you can either, when prompted at the end, to check your answers, or we can do it instantly. And I'm going to click next. I'm going to pick a theme, so let's do underwater. Click finish. Now a preview of what it looks like. I can just click on the preview button. So if I click on preview, so on the smartboard or the iPad, when the kids get their activity, it'll say, have the words down here, so I'm going to move movies over to this. If I put the wrong word in, it will bounce it out, because we told it to bounce it out, and do self-checking. But when they're done, if they get it correct, it should check it for them, and there we go. And that's what that's going to look like. I just have to give it a title. I'm going to title it movie theme, fill in the blank, and then I click finish editing, and it will go right into my library.